Theft can mean different things, and there can be different examples of theft. Something as simple as stealing from a store, or stealing a car, or taking somebody else's belongings like a handbag. But there could also be less obvious examples of theft, such as stealing electricity from a bypass when you're growing cannabis. That's where you could have a theft charge that comes with other more serious charges such as cultivate cannabis. Theft is a criminal offence, and it's categorised by 3 elements, where the person who commits the offence, firstly, takes property belonging to somebody else. Secondly, when they do so, they do it with the intention of permanently depriving that person of that property. And thirdly, that at the time they do so, they were acting dishonestly. The prosecution is required to prove each of those 3 elements beyond reasonable doubt if they're to be successful in convicting an accused person of theft. Aside from general defences which might apply, such as mistaken identity, theft can raise complex legal issues which can also give rise to other defences. Thefts from employers are considered particularly seriously by the courts. I've had cases involving hundreds of thousands of dollars being taken by employees from their employers, and sometimes those employers are government departments and sometimes they're private businesses. Sometimes it's not simply stealing cash or property, but rather using an employer's line of credit to obtain a financial advantage by deception. I've had clients find themselves doing this not necessarily out of greed, but to protect family or other loved ones. Often, people who find themselves in this situation have never been in trouble before. They're well known, they're well liked in their community. Some have had really horrible childhoods, marred by bad parenting, sexual and drug abuse, or suffer from mental illnesses or other addictions such as gambling. In one particular case, we were able to avoid an immediate jail term for somebody who had systematically stolen more than $200,000 from her employer. We were able to rely on the delay of the police prosecuting the matter and her particular personal circumstances, which we were able to explain to the court. Theft is an indictable offence and it's punishable by up to 10 years imprisonment. Often, these matters are dealt with summarily in the magistrate's court, and it's only the more serious examples that are dealt with in the county court. That said, if you're charged with theft, give us a call, we can help you.